tutorial on how to make an awesome maths game like this. At the end of this tutorial, you all will have a game looking like this. And if you get it wrong, say I put 34, that nice sound. So are you ready? Let's get started. First, get your sprites and background loaded. I've chosen a parrot for this sprite, and I've also chosen the blue sky backdrop. You can choose any sprites you want, but I feel like this is a good one to choose for this project. Now, drag your first block when green flag clicked. Then, drag a variable. Now, make a new variable. 2 new variables. Name the first one num1. And the second one num2. There, okay? So, now you have all your variables. You want to get your variables and you want to put set num1 and num2. And you want to grab an block from the operators, pick random 1 to 12. Okay? So now if I start, so you can see the first number is 11 and the second number is 11, 12 and 12, 7 and 10, 7 and 4, 8 and 4, okay? And so on and so on. Next, you want to ask block. You want to get ask, and you want to get 2 join blocks. Put this one in the, you want to put the letter X in the middle one. And you want to get the first one num1 and the last one num2. Then, you want to go if else block. If, then you want to get equals an answer, and then a multiplication block. You then need your your multiplicand and your multiplier. So num1 and num2. Then you want to get looks, and you want to put correct. In your first one, you can put anything, but I'm putting correct. Okay. Then you want sounds. I've got my sounds loaded already. This is my first one, and this is my second one. You can choose any sounds you want, but I feel like this is a good one to put in for this game. You then want to go to sounds. When you have your sounds uploaded, you want to go to your first start sound. And then you want to get your first sound. We want to get your sound you want for when they go correct. You also want to create a new variable called score. This is then when change score by 1 here. Else, you want to say incorrect. You want to get a new sound. I've already got my sound. It's this sound. But then you can choose any sound. Then I go to sounds. I select my sound. Here we go. Here. Now if I try this out, just try that now. I click green flag. 6 times 1 is 6. But notice it stops. That's because I forgot to put my forever loop. You want your forever loop here. Okay. Now, if you notice now, it starts from 1, see? 44. So I stop it. And it starts from 1. So what you want to do is you want to grab a set score to 0 and put it above this forever. Now, if you followed these steps correctly, you should now have a game that looks like this. And now if you get incorrect, so I put 39, you notice that sound comes after it says because I put this under. So you want to swap the drum boing and the incorrect one, or whatever your sound is, with that. So now if I get it wrong, say I put 9 in this box here, you now have it as well when it says incorrect. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have fun making more Scratch projects in the future.